So for this, what we're looking at right now, this is just a standard panel that comes right off the line. For people who don't know, there's two options that we provide. One is what's called the CNC. We'll pre-cut these holes for you, making life easy for your electricals, doors, windows, etc. Right?
With a couple of the right tools, it's very easy.
Right. Like our fabrication kit we talk about.
We got a wire cutting machine and foam scoop and a spline tool.
An average, let's say, 1,800 square foot 3-2 home. Once we're at dry, like we are here, we're at the foundation, ready to go. Skilled and unskilled labor. The longest amount of time it could take if someone did, I've never heard of a SIP, Chris, I don't know anything about this, what the heck is that ice cream sandwich I'm looking at? How long do you think it takes to put the exoskeleton up once they get it? Real time, ballpark, go long.
If you're taking longer than a day, you're taking 2.
Taking longer than a day. So you're telling me an 8 to 10 hour, maybe 10, but 8 hours.
Yeah, 3-4 guys should be able to knock out an 1,800 square foot home in 4 or 5 hours.
And that's just get the entire exostructure up, ready to rock and roll, go to truss or go to second floor.
All your exterior walls squared up, framed, done.
So here's the other thing. We see these as standard panels. Now when people show up, these are numbered in the map, correct? So we have our ICC cert, which you guys all see right there, you've seen the video. Everyone's certified and stamped before it leaves the factory. It also comes with a map.
Yep.
It says here's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, which is choreographed directly to the panel itself. So how can you screw this up?
Yeah, it's paint by numbers.
So that's what makes it so fun, and I think that's what we really want to express to people is, guys, not only is it better, faster, greener, and stronger, but it's easier.
No.
So this is your first time running?
This is my first time touching SIPs. I've had a couple of my crew members that have done them before in previous lives.
We're going to validate what Chris Wallace just said. We're going to take a long operating over 20-year GC who's never touched a SIP before. We're going to have him do it right here in front of you to show you can do this. It doesn't take anything except for the ideology and concept of better, faster, greener, stronger. And you can have your exostructure ups in days as opposed to months.
Yeah, this is just what we call the an OSB spline. This is a simple panel connection. Yep. And honestly, the easiest way to do this, we don't have a ladder, is to put the panels together and then drop them in from the back.
Okay.
But we're going to put them in and we'll slide the panel into it. It's kind of like a key slot.
Does that work just as well, or is the preferred installation the vertical installation?
Well, I mean, you'll see when we go to put it in, but you have to kind of manipulate the splines to get them in. So by far the easiest way to do it is put the panel up next to it and just drop them in.
Okay.
It's just simple.
Perfect. Well, should we do it?
Go.
All right.
Tim's gonna do something fantastic. Right?
Chris, does it matter on the finished edge if you want this in now? Does not matter. Are these okay to sit on ground level here? Typically you'd have your seal plate.
Typically you got your bottom. Yep.
Okay.
So now you'll just go back. Once you get everything level, you'll nail it just every 3 inches on both sides and from the inside and outside.
Yep. And any specification on the nail?
8D ring shanks.
Okay.
Or, yeah, I go 8D ring shanks.
Just 2 inch?
Yep.
Okay.
2.
Easy peasy. Okay. Why did it pull? Were we not?
Because you got to put another one in.
Oh, gotcha.
Because you're only getting in
gotcha, on one side.
Make sure you're hitting the same spline.
Yeah, so
if
you're
you go
good.
about 4 feet, then you're going to hit another one. Then
yeah, and that's
problem.
probably it. Okay,
Yeah,
so just go next to each other.
Yep.
Nice.
Easy peasy. Yeah, that's doesn't get easier than that, does it?
It's no brainer.
That's impressive.
100% higher. That's about as easy as it comes, isn't it?
That's cake.
Yeah, that's what I was saying down on page.
Yeah.
This is a day.
Just snap, snap, and you're done.
How does that sit with you, Will? If I said, hey, Will, I want you to pivot your entire, your multi-decade company building structures. I don't want you to ever build sticks and bricks again. I want you to go to SIPs. What do you think? Would your team go for that? Is there any resistance in there? How do you feel about it? What's your pushback in your head, if any?
I think it's one successful build with it and it changes everything.
Okay.
I think it's going to be leaning into the first project, doing it, making a little subtle learnings,
Right.
and then realizing this is way easier, saves time, saves people, and we've got a much happier customer because they're not in a construction zone as longer and they're there faster, which means repeat business and referral. And so I think you just need one success and it just goes.
So Chris, you know, with the new automated line, which is part of what makes us so unique here at Building Fortresses, because the size of panels we can do and how we do it. Talked about the size of panels that I can order this and the size of thicknesses I can order.
Size, we can go up to 8 by 24.
Okay.
Thickness, we can go anything. Our standard thicknesses are dimensional lumber sizes. You
Sure.
got your 2 by 4, your 2 by 6, 2 by 8, 2 by 10, 2 by 12. We also do 10.5, which would be your 9.5 inch eye joist.
Sure.
And your 12 3/4, which would be 11 7/8 eye joist.
Right.
We use that a lot in roof to get greater spans.
Sure. So I can
We
do
can
a
press
4 by 8, I can do a
anything
4 by
that's a pound you
12, I can do a 4 by 24.
Absolutely.
So anything in those variances we can do.
Yep.
So there isn't anything we can't customize for you if that's what you really want to build. Subject to the
Exactly.
blueprint that you give us.
Yep.
Okay. Guys, look, if you're not building out of SIPs, like I said, you literally are in the Flintstone age. It's better, faster, greener, stronger. It's about building your fortress, about workforce, custom, superstructures, commercial buildings. Here's why. It turns the economy. It keeps everybody working. It puts America back to work. It helps our GCs and our developers continue to move faster, as you heard Will talk about. And here's the thing. If you haven't done it, come over here and train with us, because you just saw how fast we can take a highly accomplished operator, put him in the space, he figures it out within 3 minutes. It's not rocket science. It literally is ice cream sandwiches and paint by numbers. And I'm not seeking to dumb it down nor seek to offend you. Quite the opposite. I'm seeking to make you rich. If you don't like money, don't call us. If you like money and you want to start building better, faster, greener, stronger, and building fortresses for your friends, for the people who are in commercial space or single family residents, go to buildyourfortress.com. Get yourself a now, start in the SIPs, we'll get you in the training program. And if you're a GC, we can help you get SIP certified right here at the Realm and show you how to do this and make more money for yourself, your family, and your customers.